Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Equity can be a complicated subject, especially for new business owners, and a full discussion of the subject isn't the focus of this lesson. This section does introduce the concept of equity and helps you understand why Peachtree creates some default equity accounts. Equity is basically the difference between what you have, all of your assets, and what you owe, all of your liabilities. If you sold all of your assets today and paid off your liabilities using the money received from the sale of your assets, the money that you'd have left over would be your equity. A balance sheet shows your company's assets, liabilities, and equity as of a particular date. Because equity is the difference between the total assets and total liabilities, it's also true that the total assets equal the sum of total liabilities and equity. Peachtree will create different equity accounts based on your responses during the setup of the company file as to what type of legal structure your company has. As you enter the opening balances of your assets and liabilities, Peachtree calculates the amount of equity and records it in an equity account called Opening Balance Equity. In addition to the Opening Balance Equity account, Peachtree will also create other equity accounts as needed. Now, if your company is a sole proprietorship, all the equity belongs to the company's sole owner. However, you can get as involved in tracking your equity as you would like. Some people like to track owner investments, owner's draws, and retain earnings prior to their Peachtree start date by putting them in separate equity accounts. If your business is a partnership, you'll probably want to set up separate equity accounts for each partner. To learn more about equity and to learn how to set up equity accounts in more detail, you can open the Peachtree Accounting Help window. In the Search tab, you can type the word equity and then click the List Topics button to find informative results for it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.